Hello everybody, welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. Today is a skateboarding video and I am exhausted and out of breath. I wanted to talk about an experiment that I just put together, and then I will kind of film it just kind of from a surfskate type standpoint. Just a little background: yesterday I took a drop through board and did about 8.5 miles kick pushing around town with a little bit of pumping in between with orangutan kegels. So I think part of today's results were just an exhaustion from that. I'm gonna post the speeds that I had gotten from the Nike Run Keeper, so I'll kind of put it up in one of these corners. I finally figured out how to do that. But anyway, so here was today's experiment, which I was thinking about last night. This is the loaded Omakase, and I decided, originally I had the Carver CX trucks on it, and I had orangutan cages, 73 millimeter. I decided to push the back Carver truck to the furthest most position and put on a Bennett Vector 4.3 on the front and put that in the furthest most position. Gives you, I think, a 24-25 inch wheelbase, and I wanted to kind of see how it was from a long distance pumping standpoint and also a kick pushing standpoint. Just some other things that I set up. These are some homemade risers. I think they're mahogany or walnut. We had cut to about 13 degrees, so this guy is wedged forward 13 degrees. He has, I think they're the Riptide bushings. I got these from Skate Kings. They're 75 millimeter, 75A, sorry. 75A tall cone, 75A tall barrel, and 75A cone with a flat washer on top. I changed the kingpin to aircraft grade, and I put in one of those Riptide pivot cups. And these are, like I said, the cages, 73 millimeter, and they have, looks like I put the Spaceball bearings from the Bear trucks. And back, I didn't do anything with it. So, just to kind of talk about the experience with it, my legs were exhausted. I didn't really seem to get a good pumping experience. So I'm gonna have to practice with it some more. I'm gonna play with it, and like I said, in a moment, from a surfskate standpoint. And ultimately, kick pushing, if I had my foot in the right position where I felt stable, because this guy's very, loosey-goosey, I was able to get some good kicks out of it. But I really don't think it would be something that I'd want to push for a long distance. But to kind of bring up the speed was helpful. So anywho, on that note, I'm going to bring it out to the road and just do kind of a nice little light surf skate with it. And let me know what you think down in the comments, what you would do differently for a setup like this. Okay. So I'm going to film from this angle. Hopefully it'll kind of show you guys what it looks like. Just get my safety gear on because I'm 35, I have a heavy body weight, and I can't afford any falls. Even if you're young and all that, you should wear safety gear. So yeah, there you go. There's a little bit with pumping with that back foot on the kicktail, and then a little bit where I choked up more for kind of a long distance pump, just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like with the 24-inch wheelbase, and just to give you an idea, I'm about 6 foot. So yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll be back with better data when I'm not as exhausted. All right, y'all have a good day. Bye.